So I'll start with the quote of the day from my wife.
石头就是石头，到底有什么不一样？搞不懂你。
So today I've used the NC Stevens Field Geology Guide to try and find phyllite. The Bunya phyllite is meant to be a higher grade of metamorphism from lower down in the accretionary complex next to the narrowly fernvale beds. That's why you see these things just next to each other on the geological maps. From the first location at Lutwyche Road, Windsor, it was definitely tough. All right, so the entire rock face was fenced off, and the rocks themselves were all falling apart like scree all over the floor. There were bolts and wire over them, but it wasn't helping, and it was all overgrown with vegetation. And the other sites are even worse than this. The scree from the cliff showed some tuff of different colours and phyllite with quartz veins. Although not listed in the book or the geological mapping as Bunya phyllite, it's still phyllite, and you can see the sheen. And this was from the fine microcrystals. So this is metamorphosed from shale to slate to phyllite. And further metamorphosis takes it to schist, then gneiss, then migmatite, before completely remelting. And there's a sample of migmatite that I've got, although not from this trip. And then the next up on Victoria Street, we're meant to show Bunya phyllite to cherts, which are in the narrowly fanvale beds. But the church you can see quite nicely next to the stairs. That top bit there is concreted, and almost the entire rock face is concreted. And little tiny bit that wasn't concreted was so dense in vegetation I couldn't make out any lower layers at all, which was meant to show me the Bunya phyllite. But it was dense roots and grass and dirt and stuff. And the last stop was on Petrie Terrace, and this is meant to be Bunya phyllite, but the book says it's narrowly Fernvale beds. And again, the almost the entire section was walled off, and a little tiny bit wasn't, and that was just super thick vegetation. So I did see green schist, not greenstones like the book says, because they're foliated. And so that's the difference between greenstones and green schist. And this is a distinctive metamorphic lineage of basalt. And as pillow basalt is characteristic of narrowly fernvale beds, it must have been a transition from the narrowly fernvale beds, which makes sense because it's kind of close to the Bunya phyllite, which is undergoing a higher grade of metamorphism. So it looks like it is a sort of transition in a way anyway. And that's it. Definitely the worst set of road cuts I've ever tried to investigate. Rock faces don't survive long in Brisbane City.
石头就是石头，到底有什么不一样？搞不懂你。